ClickUp 4.0 puts your work, chats, and docs in one place. That's powerful, but it can also feel like a lot. And when everything is visible all at once, a quick setup helps it feel easier to navigate from day one. So before you build anything else, set up your sidebar. A few small changes here can make ClickUp feel calm, focused, and much easier to use every day. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make ClickUp 4.0 feel more focused by cleaning up what you see, organizing what you use most, and building a sidebar that stays clear over time. Let's start by cleaning up what you see. To get started, clean up the parts of ClickUp you see before you ever click into your work. The goal is simple. If a hub or a space isn't helping you this week, it shouldn't be competing for your attention. Start with global navigation. Pin the hubs you actually use. Unpin the ones you don't. When your navigation matches your real workflow, ClickUp starts to feel less like a menu and more like a workspace built for you. Next, hide the spaces you're not actively working in right now. You don't need to delete anything. You just need to keep older projects from taking up visual space. A shorter list of active spaces makes the whole workspace easier to scan. It also helps new users understand where work actually lives. Organize what you use. Once things feel clearer, organize the places you return to often. This is where favorites become really powerful. Use them as a launchpad for your most common actions. After that, create 1 or 2 custom sections for the workflows you're actively managing. This is where ClickUp 4.0 really starts to click. You can keep a channel, a doc, a task, and a list together in one section because your work is already living in one connected place. Instead of organizing by tool, organize by what you're trying to get done. Keep favorites and your most important custom sections near the top. That way, the things you need most are visible the moment ClickUp opens. If something matters every day, it shouldn't be buried. And lastly, stay disciplined. A focused setup stays focused when you keep it intentional. The easiest way to keep that clarity is to be selective with favorites, keep sections purposeful, and hide spaces that aren't active right now. Here's a few quick pitfalls to watch for. First, keep favorites from becoming a second sidebar. Save them for the places you open all the time. Second, don't build a custom section for every project. Use sections for active workflows, not for everything you've worked on before. And third, revisit your sidebar regularly. What helped you last month might not need the same visibility now. So there you have it. If you're new to ClickUp 4.0, spend 2 minutes cleaning up your sidebar so the first thing you see is the work that actually matters. Check out our other video on building your first workflow in ClickUp so your improved sidebar leads into a system that's just as clear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.